This is going to be a little bit different of one than I have done before. I've never actually done one of these before, so bear with me. So I am going to be removing all of the keys from this old Corsair K95, which it's old, but it's still a very good keyboard. This is the second version of it, or whatever you call it. They had a previous version that had a bigger extra key thing over here, but this is the standard version that was available for a while. So we're going to be pulling all the keys, and then I ordered a whole new set of keycaps for it. Let's see how long this actually... Oh, that's easy. Okay, that's easier than I was expecting. I may use my... Well... Yeah, I may use my blower on it. It looks like I'm going to need the blower. I was going to just do a... And you know what? It actually just occurred to me. I forgot to take a picture of it. But I have... I have 2 more of these, so that's okay. I also don't like these Corsair keys. They're not very well attached. So I have always had issues with Corsair keys coming off of the keyboards. It's particularly bad when they're in storage. When they're in storage, I find that they literally just, like, they bump into anything and the keys go flying off. So I'll probably hang on to these just to cannibalize them for my other K95. This was so cheap to order these extra keys. I think it was like $13.99 plus tax to order these keys. Yeah, see this? They just... That one's on okay. That one's not. That one's not. That one's not. See that? They just pop right off. There's almost like 0 tension holding them in place. It's kind of stupid. Okay. So I will be back in just a minute after I go and blow this off and get a photo of the keyboard. Okay, so now let's just clean it off with the rag here. I've got an anti-static cleaner on the rag, so that should be good to go. I've never... So I've had this, I don't know, for several years. The heck? I've never spilled or anything like that on it, so it's just dirty from years of normal usage. So I get these fairly often. I think I stopped getting them just because the K95 is a little bit old now, and so I think everyone that had a K95 that would have upgraded has now done so, and the newer model, the K100, I think is what they call it. I can't remember, K100, K200, something like that. Anyway, though, that model is still current. And I haven't actually seen one of those with anything I've gotten a deal on yet. But I think that I've been getting a lot more non-Corsair stuff. It used to be that, like, Corsair keyboards were the keyboards, I think. And now there's just a bunch of different options. And so you don't see... It's not like everyone is using a high-end Corsair anymore like it used to be. At least that was kind of the vibe I used to get, was that, like, everyone was using high-end Corsair. Now I get kind of a... I get kind of a more random assemblage of keyboards now. Now sometimes they'll be like I did get, oh, what was that Corsair I got? I got a K, I think the K70 RGB Mark II, something like that. That was a fairly nice one. I think that was, even though technically that's a lower end model, I think that might actually be a better keyboard than this one because it is a bit newer. I think the K95 is actually, I think it might actually be Corsair's first generation, like super high end. Like the first time they did a, I don't know, flagship keyboard. Man, I'm kind of tempted to. It's a little dirtier than I expected. I don't really want to do the whole. I know you can pull the switches out. I don't really want to though. I'm. I did not get into this tonight for an hour-long keyboard teardown. I really just wanted to clean it a little bit and drop the new keys on. So I'm not really into it tonight for a big. Yeah, it's definitely a lot cleaner now. And I think I still have 2 other of these in storage. But I've got basically a infinite supply of mechanical gaming keyboards now. I've got well, it's funny too, because I used to not really care. Like I used to totally not care about keyboards. Like I would just use whatever I ended up with. And then I started getting these higher end keyboards. I was like, man, these are kind of nice. And so I just because I ended up with them. And I do a lot of deals where I will end up with a ton of peripherals that I don't end up including when I resell the machine. So I have quite a few high-end mice, high-end gaming keyboards, like just all kinds of high-end stuff that I just have built up over the years. A lot of it's older, but still perfectly good stuff. So I took a photo of one of my other K95s to help us when we put this thing back together. Come on. And I'll probably blow it back out again once I put everything back on. Luckily, I've never actually spilled on a keyboard, so I didn't have that. I honestly, because of how cheap I get these, if I spilled on one, I'd probably just throw it out, to be honest. That's one of the advantages of buying cheap, high-end stuff, is that it's having high-end disposable stuff is kind of nice. I think technically the right way to do this is to pull all of the switches off, but I'm too lazy. I just wanted it a little bit cleaner and new keys. That's like all I wanted. Okay, so then what we do is I've got us I have us a photo. And we just repopulate. Boom, that goes there. Oh, that's why it had a few different... There must be a few different configurations on these types of keyboards, because a few of these keys are... Okay, so that one... You gotta tell me that it doesn't fit. Okay, so there are a few different size options. What? Why do I get the impression that this does not have... That one doesn't fit. That one doesn't... Oh, maybe this one will fit. Oh, well, no, because that's the original. Okay, so that's not it. That's not it. And that's not it. Okay, so this might not work as well as I thought. It listed Corsair. Don't tell me I have to use this white one. No, that one doesn't fit either. So I'm going to have to use the original Corsair Space Key. I don't think there's any... I'm going to have to complain about that on Amazon because it explicitly stated that it would work with this keyboard. How do you have 3 different freaking sizes? There's like 3 or 4, there's like 4 bloody sizes here and none of them fit. That is the dumbest thing I have ever heard. Oh, unless... I don't think so. No, you can't... Yeah, these don't have a... like a... I'm so confused. Okay. Let's see if there's enough to make this work. You know, that seemed too easy. You know, that seems really easy. Okay, let's see here. Where's the home button go? Is that the center? Okay, that's the center. Okay, so these do... Yeah, that was one of my big complaints, was that... Yeah, that was one of my big complaints, was that the keys for the Corsair setup, they're too loose. I don't know why. Oh, where is it? Yeah, I don't know why they have them, like, the default keys so loose, but they are. They're, like, super loose, and they just pop right off. Let's see here. It's going to turn out that these aren't the right spacing or some nonsense like that. Weird. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. They seem to all fit, except, like, the space bar. There's always something. You know that? Okay, I will be back once I have this all together, and we'll see if it actually works. Okay, so... it's finished. It mostly worked. It could have been better. I wouldn't recommend the Womir keys. Like, they worked, but we had... I mean, look at this. 4 different freaking space bars. None of them fit. So unless I'm missing something, I assume that it's supposed to have a working space bar. So let's see if it still works. Let's see. Supposedly it should look nicer. Okay, it kind of looks okay. Okay, I mean, it kind of looks nice. Let's see if the thing actually works. I just knocked down. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think it still works. Everything's good. I feel like it's supposed to be a little bit brighter, but whatever. The keys do stay on better, so there's that. But yeah, I didn't actually, all I looked was to see that it said Corsair. I guess if I were you, I would make sure that, like, if you're getting for the K95, I would make sure that it actually says K95. I don't know. Maybe the K95 is an older model, and I don't know. Maybe it's just not compatible. I don't know. But anyway, it worked. It could have worked better. So make of that what you will, and thanks for watching.